I'm Jasmine, also known as Jasmine Define, and today I'm showing you 4 super easy ways to style your braids. As you probably already know, box braids are a great protective style for any time of the year, but if you're anything like me, you like to switch it up a bit, so here are 4 different styles that you can try with your box braids. For our first look, we're gonna do really easy braided braids. So essentially all we're gonna do is part our hair right down the middle. If your parts aren't perfectly straight down the middle, it's fine, it'll still look cute. So we're just gonna part it in half and we're gonna cornrow each side. This style is great for especially hot weather, but even if you're going to the gym, it just really gets the hair off your neck and it's also really cute. And then we're just gonna braid it all the way down. Now, depending on the style of your braids, you may need to put an elastic at the end. I'm gonna use a clear elastic band because of the color of my braids. Just gonna wrap that around the end. And there we are. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. Exact same thing, we're cornrowing our braids back. And here's our finished look. All right, now for look number 2, we are gonna be doing a swoop bang with the ponytail. So the first thing we're gonna do is section off a middle section at the front of your head. So I'm just gonna grab a few braids here, swoop it a little to see exactly how it's gonna look. So we're gonna section that off. I'm just gonna use this clip. And we're gonna pull the rest of the hair up into a high pony. So just like that. If your hair is too heavy, if you think a high pony with all of your hair might be too much, you can do half up, half down, but I'm just gonna do a full ponytail. Next, grab your hair tie and we're gonna tie it up. For this next part, you are gonna need a couple of bobby pins, and all we're gonna do is swoop the hair across our forehead, just lay it right where you want it, and then we're gonna bring it up and back to the ponytail. And depending on the length of your braids, you may be able to wrap it around your pony and tuck it into the scrunchie. So that's what I'm doing. Taking my hair tie and I'm just gonna pull those braids up under it. And just to make sure we don't have anything sticking out, I'm gonna take my bobby pins and tuck those ends back behind my ponytail. If you feel like your bang is not quite secure, you can add more bobby pins as needed, but this is the finished look. All right, next up, we are doing a bubble pony. So the first thing we're gonna do is take a braid on each side, and we're just gonna let this hang down to add a little razzle dazzle. And we're gonna pull all of our hair up into a high pony. Again, if your hair is too thick or too heavy for a single ponytail, you can definitely do a half up, half down situation with this, but I am pulling it all up. And we're gonna take our hair tie and tie it up. And from here, we're gonna start adding our elastic bands. Do one at the top, and now I'm gonna add my second one a little lower down. And the number of bands you use will depend on the length of your braids. I'm gonna use 3. And to add to our bubble, we're gonna spread the hair between the elastics. And here's our finished look. All right, and for our final look, talk about easy. All you need is your favorite scarf or a headband, and we are gonna wrap this around our heads. Because I don't have a tie around scarf, I am going to put this around my neck. So I'm bringing it down over my head. Pull all your hair towards the back of your head. Pull my headband up, spread it out to make sure you can see that cute little design. And finally, I'm gonna pull 2 braids to the front. And there's our final look. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw here and you plan to try any of these styles, make sure you tag at IPSY on Twitter and Instagram. And in the comments below, let us know which of these styles was your favorite. For more beauty content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, peace.